2014 Coachman Brookstone 355RL for sale in Winchester, Virginia. Get ready for your next adventure with this 2014 Coachman Brookstone 355RL. This luxury fifth wheel is 35.5 feet in length and features a charming floor plan that can comfortably accommodate up to 6 guests. It has been outfitted with 4 power slide-outs and one 17-feet power awning, as well as power leveling system both front and rear. This impressive RV has been very well maintained with minimal use, which has enabled its like-new condition. This Coachman Brookstone 355RL RV is perfect for anyone who appreciates a quality residential living experience right on the campsite. With top-of-the-line amenities and luxury appointments throughout, you can easily make the spacious fifth wheel your next home away from home. It comes with exceptional options and features that offer the ideal combination of comfort and convenience. Highlights of these advantages include Corian countertops, double kitchen, SinkPremium 4-door fridge, freezer, 12 CUFTIC Maker,